video. Well, as you can see from the wind and the rain, Typhoon 18 has arrived. We're here where we shouldn't be, bringing you the latest news from Typhoon 18. Please stay tuned for more. Leave a like, comment below.